Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to write a program that's going to find out whether a letter is a lowercase letter or not. If the user is going to enter a letter, it's going to check that one out and print out it's a lowercase letter if it's a lowercase letter, and if it's not, it's going to print out it's not a lowercase letter. Okay, now let's go ahead and write the code for this one. First, I'm introducing a character type of variable because the user is going to enter a character type of variable, and we are going to give a prompt to the user. In this prompt we are going to ask the user to enter the character, and also to get the input we have to use a scanf statement, and since this is a character type of variable we have to put a %c, and the value user enter is going to be stored in ch. Okay, the next thing is we are going to use the if-else statement. There is a short way to use the if-else statement. If you know that, like we put a condition and a question mark, like condition and a question mark. If it's satisfied, it's going to print out. If it's true, it's going to print out the first. If it's not, if it's false, it's going to print out the second. This is a shorthand way of if-else statement. Let's go ahead and write it in that way. You can also use if-else statement. Let's write the shorthand form. Here what we are going to do is, we know that ASCII character. In ASCII character, the small letter is between 97 and ASCII values. The small letter is between 97 and 122. Based on that, we are going to create a program. So if the value user enter is going to check whether it's between that 97 and 122. It's like if this is in between, print this one, else same as if else. Okay, 97 $& for and ch less than or equal to 122. It should be between that in order to be small letter. Now if it's true, it's going to print out printf \n, and we are going to say the entered character is lowercase letter. The entered character is lowercase letter, and if it's not, we are going to say enter character is not a lowercase letter. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it right here, and I put a not right here, not a lowercase letter. Okay, now finally we end up with semicolon. Now you can see this pattern, question mark, and this one. I follow the same pattern. I just moved this one to the next line. Okay, now that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one and see what we get. Okay, let's run this one. It's asking enter the character. Let's put a small a. It's saying the entered character is lowercase letter. Let's put a is a lowercase letter, and enter the character. If I put capital A, the entered character is not a lowercase letter, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. See you next time.